Okay, the next update, this is 10 a.m. Saturday morning. Snow is still coming down pretty hard. Blowing a little bit, but it's supposed to be blowing and drifting a lot later. I'm walking down the driveway. And I don't believe we've had any plows come through our neighborhood yet. But I will give you a view of what it looks like here in Prince Frederick, Maryland, on Sandy Point Road. Well, somebody came down the road. There we go. This is it. We got some snow. And there's a lot more to come. I don't expect these kids will be going back to school for a long time. Yeah, no plows down here, but it looks like that tree lost a branch. Okay. We'll pan down around. It's down the road.